Here I've got LG V40 ThinQ, and let me show you how to invert colors on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick accessibility, and then go to vision. If you will scroll down, you will be able to notice screen color inversion. Just tap on it, and if you truly want to invert the colors, click on turn on. And as you can see now, your device is in dark dim, so all the colors are inverted. It is good for both your eyes and also for the phone's battery, as it would definitely last way longer. So that would be all. So you can activate and use your device in dark mode and inverted colors. And then if you'd like to switch it off, go to the accessibility one more time, pick vision, and switch it off by tapping on the same tab. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.